Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 1 minus 6 bracket 1 minus 6. So let's start with today's video solution. So what we will do, 1 minus 6 as minus 5 and 1 minus 6 as minus 5 and minus 5 times minus 5 as positive 25, which is a wrong answer. Yes. This is a common mistake that people do. But when an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like subtraction, then bracket, and in bracket again there is a subtraction, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As for this rule, first solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So 1 minus 6, the bracket is 1 minus 6 as minus 5, and if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, then put multiplication. Now we have two operations, subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 1, 6 times 5 is 30 and negative negative is positive. So what is the final answer? Positive 31. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.